Want to manage your experience on X like motion, gesture, and media? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on accessibility functions on Twitter. Let's get started. First, open the application. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Below, tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Then go to Accessibility, Display and Languages. Here, tap on Accessibility. Now you can manage the settings as you like here. You can toggle the icons on and off as per you like. And that is how to turn on accessibility functions on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.